Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get lots of money in Bloxburg. And if you just, before we start this video, I just want to say, if you search up how to get lots of money in Bloxburg by working, I'm just going to say same steps that any other video will probably say. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get your moods.
Mom, you didn't take me a picture of my mouth.
I'm just gonna do this and do that and get my mood. Energy is going up.
Mira, energy is going up.
Wait, stay here, you two. Sorry.
You take me, Mom. Rapito. Promise.
Okay, now my energy is up. Now just give me some. Get my hygiene up. Get my hunger up. Wait, is my hunger full? Now my fun. Don't blame me if I sound weird. And if you hear any other sound, that are just my mom, grandma, dad, Maisie, and my sister. That's just to say for people like, who are those other sounds? When you get to 100 cents, or at least 99, stay here, YouTube. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Now, it's easy. You can work at any job you want. But you have to know when you do this is you can be any job you want as long as you're not high level. Losing a mood is great, especially if you're in a low level, like starting the game, for example. Like when you start the game or something, you are at a really low level, so basically you can't you get level 1 for each job and really low. Boosting your mood will be really good. I mean, boosting your mood, you just start the game. Don't start with any blockers. But getting the moods up will give you a lot of money. Like for example, I have my moods up, and when I don't have my moods up, I only get $247. But when I do boost my mood, I get $373. Like that's a big difference, right? Working for pretty long will give you like 1,000 pretty quickly. Like for example, just because I boosted my mood, I only have to do like 2 deliveries and the game froze. Okay, never mind. Now it's better. Anyways, like this is, I'm just gonna stop talking. I wish I could put music, but I don't have that. Okay, now listen, I only did 2 deliveries, only 2, and I get this much money in only a minute, you guys. This is a lot of money. So yep, that's basically all. You can also waste your Robux, or you can also ask other people. But most of the time they might not work. If you ask people, some people don't even have Robux. They just waste it on this game, or it might just. Okay, guys. Sorry.
Mommy,
I need. Beep. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now, like I was saying, you can use your Robux, but some people just don't have enough. And I think that getting blocked or blocked by just asking money. It's pretty common, so doing this is going to give you lots of money. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When this channel gets 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a pretty good special, but I'm pretty far away from that. So yeah, more Bloxburg videos are going to come. Be sure to hit the bell button if you want to stay tuned, because tomorrow I'm posting another video of Bloxburg. So yeah, and that's all for today, guys. Bye!